To remove objects from any photograph or a picture in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted objects from any photograph or picture in Canva using AI. So before starting the video, let me make sure that this particular feature is a Canva premium feature and you might require a Canva premium or a Canva pro subscription in order to operate on these particular operations. So as here you can see that I have opened this particular presentation in order to demonstrate. So the first thing that we'll be doing is add a image into this Canva design. So in order to add any image into this Canva design, I'm going to click onto the Elements tab over the left hand side. And from here, I can choose any photo that I want. So for example, let's say this photo right here. So this is the photo that we have added into our Canva design. Now let me right click onto this and click onto the select image edge background so that it expands towards the entire canvas. And now we will attempt to remove this particular subject, which is the parrot right here. So let me show you how you can do that using the Canva AI. So simply click onto the image first. And once you will click, you can see these options that appear at the top. Now from here, you need to click onto this edit button right here. So simply click onto the edit button and it will open this dialog box. Now from here under the Magic Studio, you can see this option of Magic Eraser. So simply click onto the Magic Eraser and now you have these options. So you need to click onto this brush option, and in order to change the brush size, you can use this particular slide bar. So if you will move it towards the left hand side, you can see that the brush is getting smaller. And if you will move it towards the right hand side, you can see that the brush is getting a lot larger. So let me choose it to any preference size. Let's say this one. And then what I will need to do is simply brush it across that particular object that I want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this parrot. So I'm gonna fully cover it with this purple shade. So that means this particular object will be removed from this image. And once you are done, simply click onto this erase option right here. So once you click onto this erase option, you can see that the magic eraser has started and you can see the results that appear here. Although there is a bit of this left, so you can click onto this again and then again attempt to erase them as well. So you might need to do it multiple times, and depending upon the how accurately you remove the object, you can see the result that the parrot has been successfully removed from this photo. Apart from that, there is also another method using which you can do that. The another method is that you simply click onto this auto detect option. So if you enable this auto detect, you can see if the image will be auto detected or not. So if there are any objects that this particular AI finds, then you will be able to remove them as well. So you can simply click onto this click button, and here you can see that it has auto detected this parrot. So simply click onto this parrot and then click the erase button. And now you can see that it is removing this parrot from this particular picture. And here you can see that it has successfully removed the parrot from this picture. So that's how easily you can erase unwanted things from your image in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.